Charlotte, Nike, this is for you guys and your table. Okay? Come on, bring your woman up here and dance or something. Come on. From the day we met, you made me forget all my fears. You just what to say, and you kissed away all my tears. I knew this time I had finally found someone to build my life around, be a lover and a friend. After all my heart had put me through, I knew that it was safe with you. What we had would never end. Wrong again. Everybody swore they'd seen this before, and we'd be fine. And you come to see that you still love me in good time. And they said there's nothing you can do. It's something that he's going through. Happens to a lot of men. And I told myself that they were right, that you'd wake up and see the light. I just had to wait till then. Wrong again. And it seemed to me the painful last, my chance for happiness had passed. Nothing went around again. I was sure I'd never find someone to heal the damage you had done. My poor heart would never mend. Wrong again. Wrong again. But not wrong this time. Thank you, guys.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let her know what you think. Put your hands together, wishing her well on her journey to